So I have not recorded it. And Acha, Mr. Ashwani Kumar, the bank's business position, etc., you don't have to go around somewhere else. You can get it in the page number 1 of our A 2023 interview questions. And the questions that have been asked in this year are given under page number 4, 5, 6, and all that. It contains the latest questions asked today in Maharashtra for a marketing candidate, and also questions that have been asked to a candidate from Chartered Accountant Institute who has come out successful in Noida recently. He is our candidate. He has took two mock interviews, out of which one I have already shared with you, and his questions also I shared to our group. Now, Kushi Narang, what is the question you have, please?
Yes, sir. So I wanted to ask what all should we include in our introduction? Like, should we tell about our family as well in the
No, no.
introduction itself?
Actually, you will tell about your name, the native place from where you come, the maximum degree, the topmost degree you have studied, and the good marks if you have scored in that, followed by next degree and the marks scored, and then up to 12th. 12th, if you have scored good percentage, you can tell. And after completing this, you can tell about the strengths. What are your strengths? Normally, I tell my candidates to tell about I am a quick learner, I am a hardworking person, I enjoy shouldering higher responsibilities, and I am good in communication, I am good in problem solving and critical thinking, and also analysis, and I am, say, good in planning, and so I'm good in time management. I am a good, I possess leadership skills, and I'm also a team player. I was leader in my college in these programs, in these projects, and like that, you have to tell only about your strengths. And if you have received some awards or prizes during your college or school days, school plus 2 days, you can mention about it. And you can also, um, yeah, you can tell about your any extracurricular activities in which you are good. Then you can mention about it during this introduction. Regarding family, they will ask you. They will ask you. It is not that, but some people are telling about their parents. If your parents are in very good position, then you can mention about it. Otherwise, you don't have to mention about it. Okay. Next,
Yes, thank you.
Kushi Narang, you are from which place?
So Delhi.
Delhi. What is your daddy?
So he is currently working as a manager in Reserve Bank of India.
Ore Baba. Super. Ah, good, 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 good. Reserve Bank means very rich people, Baba. Ah, very rich people. And not only that, less work, more pay. Don't tell him. I am telling you.
No, no,
the,
so
the,
it's not like that.
no, no, just joking. The thing is, they don't have this responsibility of target, this, that, and all. They only know to make complaints against others. I am talking like this because I have never been to Reserve Bank. All that I have seen is the Reserve Bank of India, Chennai, every day when I cross the road. That is what I know. I don't know much about it. Just for fun. Very good. Thank you. So, for you, questions will be: what are the functions of Reserve Bank of India? What is the latest news about Reserve Bank of India? And how do you think Reserve Bank of India is fine tuning our economy? Some such questions relating to present economy and Reserve Bank's role will be asked to you. How do you think Reserve Bank is helping central government in its planning and expenditure angle? Something like that. Any question can be asked for you. Any other doubts Kushi is having? Kushi name is very happy. Kushi means always happy. Are you a happy child?
Yes, sir, I'm a very happy child.
Good. How many siblings do you have?
So one.
Elder brother or younger brother?
Elder brother.
What is he doing?
So he's in a corporate job. He's living in Bangalore. He's
Acha.
in a company named Skit.ai, artificial intelligence.
Ore Baba. Then you be ready to know about artificial intelligence. What are the areas in which they are doing? How artificial intelligence in our day-to-day life, and more especially in banking. What do you
Yes,
think will happen after 5 years from now in artificial intelligence?
yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Very good. Any other doubts, questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Next, Jaspreet. What is the doubt you have? Jaspreet, any doubt? Jaspreet, mic is not all right. Jaspreet, 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 just. Where is he? जसप्रीत, क्या हुआ? आप क्यों बात नहीं करते हैं? कोई बात नहीं, then leave it. Then we will go for general questions to all of you. We have 10-15 minutes now. I can make a small quiz. I can make a quiz for this group now. Yeah. Who would like to answer questions? Please raise your hand. Those who would like to answer questions, please raise your hand. Yeah. It is first is Shilpa. Shilpa, you had already your first mock, or this is you have not had? I think you had your first mock already, na?
No, no, sir. It's scheduled
No.
on 14th of this.
Acha, acha, acha. Good, good.
Today only
Yeah.
I received my date for interview, sir. It's on 18th.
18th, acha. Oh, which place?
Coimbatore, sir.
Coimbatore. Acha.
Yes.
How come Shilpa is in Coimbatore? You are a native of Coimbatore.
No, sir. I'm from Palakkad district of Kerala, so Coimbatore is near to me. That's why.
That's why you opted for this.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell me about the business achievements or economic achievements of your district? I know this question I have not been asking earlier, but now after seeing today's questions, I am posing these questions to almost everybody. Can you answer this question now?
Talking about business achievements, I would say compared to other districts of Kerala and all, Palakkad it's less because the number of here there is no foreign banks. First of all, that itself shows that the foreign investment opportunities for foreign investment here it is very less. The other thing is construction wise or infrastructure wise, other banks are all there. Like Federal Bank, there are many branches in my near places itself.
Hmm.
And I don't know much about the business of my district, sir.
Mhm. Then I should ask you which you can answer. What is your degree? Hello,
Sir,
Shilpa,
yes, sir. MSc Physics, sir. Physics, sir.
MSc Physics. Name
Yes.
some famous physicists now living in our country. This is
Now,
how they try to put us into
yes.
problem. These questions we never expect.
Yes,
Ah,
sir. I was aware about the famous physicist, but now living like
ah.
that.
Now living one question. Tell me
Yes.
generally famous physicists from our country.
Um,
Not living also okay. Those who are one who is no longer alive also okay. Tell me.
okay. Sir,
Doesn't
C.V.
matter.
Raman,
Tell, yeah,
C.V.
yeah,
Raman, Satyendra Bose, and
very good. Tell me some physics. What do you say? Concept or theorem or uh, uh, what how
theorems
do,
like
theorem? Physics theorem or only max we will call theorem. Here also they are called theorem.
yeah, theorem also we used to say in that way too, sir.
Tell me two theorems from physics.
It's
What
basically
happened? What happened? These are all very normal questions only. It doesn't matter. Now, what should I ask you? Now, tell me five vice presidents of India. I am very favorite of this question. Hmm.
Okay, sir. Uh, Radhakrishnan, Dr. Radhakrishnan,
Hmm.
then V.V. Giri.
Hmm.
Currently, it's Jagdeep Dhankar.
Hmm.
Then Hamid Ansari.
Hmm.
Then
One more.
yes, sir. I'm not.
See,
I'm
I
not
don't know
remembering.
why they ask this question, because everybody knows about president. Everybody
Yes,
knows
sir.
about prime minister. But this
Hmm.
vice president is a thing which normally people are not very familiar with. Tell
Yes, sir.
me
Hmm.
three rivers, big rivers flowing in Kerala.
Okay, sir. Brahmaputra. Then Pamba. Then Periyar, I would say.
What did I ask you?
Sir, reverse yours.
Rivers?
Flowing in Kerala.
Ah, what was the answer given by you?
Sir, Periyar,
Ah,
Brahmaputra, and
Brahmaputra,
Pamba.
Kerala.
No, no, Brahmaputra.
It is somewhere in Assam
Okay, sir.
or
Then
North India.
Meenachil, sir.
Huh?
Meenachil. Meenachil. Like, it's a river.
I don't know. But why did you, how come this Brahmaputra came to your mind? You thought it is a question about India?
No, no, sir. Like, it was by mistake. I said Brahmaputra.
It is by mistake. Doesn't matter. No problem. Now, next person, Jasprit. Jasprit.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, Jasprit,
Sorry,
shall
sir, I
I?
had a problem with my microphone. I was not able to unmute it. So I have a question.
Hmm.
What is the
Yeah.
difference between the repo rate and the MSF? Because in both the cases, the RBI lends money to the commercial banks and both also require collaterals. So I don't understand what is the difference.
See, the repo rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank of India lends money to scheduled banks for short term. Nobody knows what is that short term. Somebody says 14 days, somebody says 2 days, say 90 days. It differs. Okay. So the
Okay.
rate of interest is 6.50%. The banks will have to give government securities and then take loan against that. Whereas another concept is bank rate, which is now 6.75%. And it is the lending made by Reserve Bank of India to scheduled banks for long term. There is more than 90 days also. But apart from this, there is one more concept, marginal standing facility. This is for emergency requirements for 2 days, 3 days, when more amount of checks comes on this bank is forced to withdraw more money is being withdrawn from this bank, then they are in need of some urgent funds. For that, they borrow for short term. There is 2 days, 3 days. Normally, it happens on Friday till Monday, or maybe on Monday till Tuesday, like that and all. That rate of interest is also 6.75%, same as bank rate. Earlier, there used to be a thinking that MSF should be more than bank rate, but now they have thought it fit to have it as same. And even in yesterday's Reserve Bank Monetary Policy Committee, they have agreed on the same terms. So that is what is the answer. Answer for MSF and the other one you asked, repo rate. Okay,
Okay, thank you, sir.
thank you. Now, Ashwani Kumar, I have to answer question to you. Question. I have to put question to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In which bank are you having account?
Sir, I have account in SBI, State Bank of
Acha.
India.
Can you demonstrate your convincing skills that how will you sell our products? Tough question.
Yes, sir,
Ashwani
definitely.
Kumar. Yeah.
Yes, sir, definitely. Can you tell me like which type of product? Is it a loan? Is it a credit card or
No,
anything
no,
else?
you can choose anything. Why do you want to? Why are you binding yourself into this? When I tell you, please come to my home, you can come to
Hmm.
my home by car, by scooter, by walk, by whatever it is. So, likewise, when I ask you this question, you have the option of choosing anything that you want. The way, if you ask this, it is an indication you are not fully prepared for this question.
Yes, sir. This was a out of the box question.
Acha. So I will ask something which is very common. Can you tell about CSR responsibilities of Federal Bank?
The CSR responsibility about the federal bank, sir, like I don't want to lie to you. I haven't read about these things, like
What
the
is
factual.
CASA? What is CASA?
CASA is basically sir current account saving account thing which is happening in the banks. So a particular employee has to. It is a position basically which at which employees had to work. They need to
No, no, but
offer
why do
current
you
account
bring
of saving.
employees and all here? There is no need for bringing employees. CASA means current account and savings account. Can you tell me what is CASA percentage means what?
Sir, no, sir, I'm not.
CASA
Right now, I'm not
percentage.
able to.
CASA percentage means current account plus savings account divided by total deposits of the bank into 100. That is known as CASA percentage. I think in Federal Bank, what is the CASA percentage? Somewhere around 40% or so. Now, you don't know about this CASA, you are not prepared about what is your degree subject?
Yes, sir, I did my post graduation in MBA Marketing and Finance.
Marketing and finance. Oh, oh. Explain what is ROA.
So ROA basically stands for return on investment.
ROA, Baba, not ROI.
Uh, 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 Pardon, sir, I was able to. ROA basically stands for sir, return on assets, sir.
What is it? Explain.
Sir, basically return on asset basically it is an ratio which indicates the profitable situation of a company in respect of their assets.
Good. Very good. Now, can you explain what is ROE?
ROE,
Hmm.
sir, ROE basically stands for return on equity.
Explain.
Sir, it's basically defines the company's position, uh, how much they are able to give to their shareholders.
Probably you can tell it still better that extent of profit earned by the company in this period, during this period, as compared to the equity capital, share
Net
capital of
profit basically compared to the equity capital. Can I say in this way?
share cap share capital of the company or the bank as a whole. Okay.
Okay,
ROE. What is the
done, sir.
ROA of Federal Bank as on 30th June?
Sorry,
This
sir.
many of you don't prepare. You want to keep it as the last subject you want to read before going to the after getting into the auto rickshaw, you are going to study all this. Correct?
Okay,
That's what
I'm making
majority
sense
of
now.
you are doing. You must update. It is already late. Now, any day interview is coming. So you please update details about Federal Bank figures. Okay.
Done, sir.
Thank you so much. Best wishes. I'll close now for my, I have to go for my